It's moving if he's not here. Uh-oh. I think it's maybe crashing.
Don't touch it.
I'm trying. It's just the camera is not there. Yeah, it's definitely falling. Just very slowly and in circles. Can you like lock altitude? Or does it always just stay where it is?
I don't know.
Yeah, he's definitely falling.
I think
gonna blame me probably.
maybe he'll be back before then.
What's that little like pig doing?
That's like
Oh no!
you're gonna break him.
He's already broken.
I'll grab his controller real quick.
He's flying all over the place, but he's really not even here. Oh. Uh-oh. Did he crash?
No, he's that way-ish. Up above you.
Oh. God, I hate flying this. It's so funny. Just spins around in circles.
He's slowly falling. Will he make it back in time to save it?
What? He didn't crash? No.
Go find
He
him.
must have died from the same disease that